Just took a picture. It's all green, and really, India is green. I used to live in India, then I came to UAE. Now we are going up. चलो ऊपर चलते हैं. Wait, this is Taj Mahal. Guys, a fun fact. This is the back side of the Taj Mahal. This is the back side of the Taj Mahal. I'll show you the front side. This is the front side. This is Taj Hotel. No. Yeah, I think that. No. Yeah. What does this headphone do? Okay, I don't understand. I'm a busy guy. Yeah. What is this? Oh, the temple. A temple. Oh, I just forgot there was a mirror. Okay. I think I should listen from the headphone. What I can hear. I know Hindi, but for you guys, what am I supposed to do? Okay, that was so fun. And where am I literally supposed to go? Oh yeah, I need to go down from here. Yeah. Most of the video will be in the back camera because I need to show you the beautiful view. You have to go more up. That's nice. This is like, I live in India, but this is like living in a mini India. Yeah, I feel like I'm living in India, in UAE. India in UAE, I feel like that. Namaste. Make in India.
Not just friends since 3000 BC.
Not Axis.
I don't even recognize there.
Byju's is a company, an educational company of India. It's world famous. That only. Lulu Group International. Whatever. That's literally so nice. Now I'm gonna get stamped for India's pavilion, and this is gonna be my 19th pavilion in like literally just one day. Like it's been like literally one day, and I've traveled 19 pavilions. Yeah, today is the first day, and I think that we'll be going here for 3 days, not continuous. I think it will be like 40 pavilions and 60. Obviously not 192. If it would be for 6 months ticket, it would obviously be, I would like obviously travel all the 192 pavilions. Yeah, it was so fun. Where do I have to go down? Where's the place to go down?
Yeah, you take it off. Except from there.
Now we'll be going in Japan's pavilion. Today is Japan Day. Wait. The galaxy. I mean the solar system. I need to go there. When will the elevator end? I reached the ground floor. Yeah, I'm not going there because that was just for the entrance. I don't know what happened to my finger. My passport just saw a dance performance ending. Here. Where do I stamp? Excuse me? Passport stamping?
Inside the retail plaza.
Huh?
Inside the retail plaza.
Okay, retail plaza. I have to go right there in the retail plaza. Oh my god! Literally another dance performance! Boring. Passport stamping? Passport stamping? Let's travel the whole world. Just for one stamp. And my passport. And needing to travel the whole world. Excuse me, passport stamp. Passport. Thank you. Now, after going in the Japan pavilion, I will be checking how many pavilions have I?
Oh, you're doing vlogging?
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you. Yeah, so. Huh? What?
Which channel do you have?
On YouTube.
On YouTube?
On YouTube. On YouTube.
Yes, which channel?
Like just in which I'll show my talent, like drawing, coloring, dancing, vlogging.
Should I
and all.
become your subscriber?
Okay.
What's the name?
Rishi Aryan.
Rishi Aryan.
Yeah, R is capital. ARY. Yeah, the first one.
Wow. I'll check it out.
This is the video.
Playing
which-
with robot in Expo.
Yeah,
Wow.
just today I made that. Hello! I just made that today while I was coming over here.
Where is the
The benefits of being a YouTuber. That guy just subscribed to me. Let's go! This is the first time this I'm not going in Japan Pavilion. The line is like literally so long. Bye.